Hi everybody, in this video I want to show you how 11 Labs has created a first version of a personal assistant that I think really shows the potential that this kind of personal assistance will have in the future. So let me briefly show you how it works. So here I'm at the website 11AI, where you can now experiment with this personal assistant for free. So what did I do here? I actually went to settings. And here you can choose the voice that you want, you can choose the language that you want, but you can also add integrations. And at this point, I actually integrated my Google Calendar. You can do a lot of other integrations, but here for my experiment, I just connected it to my Google Calendar so that it can see and work with my Google Calendar. So let me show you, demonstrate you how this can work. So here you can see my calendar. This is a hypothetical calendar of a typical work week. And now I will interact with the assistant to see to what extent the assistant can read, but also adjust my calendar. So let's go ahead.
Good morning, Dries. Ready to dive in?
Yes, good morning. I have a question for you. Next week, I need to do recordings for the online MBA. Can you remind me which dates I have to do this?
Sure thing, I can help you with that. I will search your calendar for online MBA next week. Does that sound right?
Yes, that sounds right.
Alright, Dries, next week you have 2 entries in your calendar for recording online MBA videos. The first is on July 1st from 10 AM to 1 PM, and the second is on July 2nd from 10 AM to 1 PM. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding these events?
No, but I have another question. On Friday, I need to travel to Hamburg by train, but I fear that the train will be delayed. Would it be possible to shift my lunch meeting that I have that day to a dinner meeting?
I can definitely help with that. Could you please confirm the title or the event ID of the lunch meeting you'd like to reschedule? Also, what time would you like to schedule the dinner meeting for?
So it's the lunch meeting with Hector, and I would like to shift it to 6 PM.
Okay, I'll update the lunch meeting with Hector to 6 PM today. Just to confirm, the current time is 10:57 AM, so you want to move the lunch meeting to 6 PM today, June 28th?
No, it's on Friday, July the 4th.
Got it? So you want to move the lunch meeting with Hector on Friday, July 4th to 6 PM on the same day. What is the event ID or the title of the event?
I don't know the idea, but so the meeting is with Hector.
Okay, I found the event. It's titled Lunch Meeting with Hector Kratzenfeld on July 4th at 1 PM. I'll move it to 6 PM on the same day. Is that correct?
Yes. That's correct.
Alright, the lunch meeting with Hector Kratzenfeld has been updated to 6 PM on July 4th. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, so as you can see now in my calendar, it has indeed managed to shift the meeting to 6 PM. And you can see it's still a bit cumbersome. And now I also still have to approve every time when it wants to do something with my calendar. In the settings, you can also give it just permission to do. But here I wanted to be safe and just give approval every time. But I hope you see that this shows you the potential of how AI can slowly become a real personal assistant. So try it out yourself. You can try it out for free at 11AI, and I hope this can give you some inspiration. Bye.